Sending money to GCash in the Philippines with WorldRemit is really easy. All you'll need is your recipient's full name, GCash mobile wallet number, and their address. Now, if you have all of that, then you can either use WorldRemit on a desktop computer or with their app on your smartphone or tablet. For this video, I'm going to show you how to send money with their app, but if you do want to use your computer, then I've linked their website below in the description box. First, you'll need to download the app, so just search WorldRemit on your app store and click download. Once that's done, then you'll need to register an account. When you're registered and logged in, the first thing you'll want to click is send. Then click the country you're sending money to. For you, that's going to be the Philippines and PHP. Here you want to enter the amount of money you're sending. As I'm in the UK, I need to enter pound sterling, but this may be different for you. If you're happy with the amount you've entered, then click select method, which is just beneath receive method. Here we want to select mobile money transfer and then GCash. Now select next and then add new receiver. Here we have to enter their name, as well as their GCash wallet number, which is 10 digits long and usually their mobile number. Once you've entered that, you can enter their address. Finally, add their mobile contact details so they can receive updates for the transfer. Now, before you click next, quickly double check their details are correct. After that, you can now check to make sure all the details for your transfer are correct before proceeding with the payment. I've already done this, but if it's your first time using WorldRemit, you may now need to verify your identity. To do this, you will need to click complete profile. If you've already done that, then just click next. Here we just want to select how to pay. Apple or Google Pay and debit or credit card will be the fastest options. Just be careful using a credit card, as this type of transaction is considered to be a cash advance, which means you may be charged a fee by your bank or card provider. I'm going to select bank transfer, which means I'll manually send the money from my bank to WorldRemit. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Once I click confirm, I can see the bank details that I'll need for the transfer. Now, regardless of how you pay, you will get this status page, which will update automatically as the money is sent. And that's it. Just let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you on the next video.